Hello guys, hello everyone. Guys, how are you all doing guys? Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm making jollof rice, you guys. I said let me show you guys how I did it guys. So there I have my spices and in this pot I have the protein that I'm going to use. In there, I have some chicken, you guys. It is chickens that I'm going to use for this jollof rice. So I just add some curry, nutmeg, garlic powder, and oregano. Now I'm adding a little bit of nutmeg, you guys. So these are the onions that I just add, you guys. So I'm going to stir that together, cover it up to cook, you guys. So yeah. I'm also going to add my seasoning cube, which is not cube, you guys, not chicken. So I'll cover it up to cook. So in this pot, I have, as you guys can see, there is hot water inside this pot. So yeah, I'm going to add the quantity of rice that I want to cook. Okay, I'm going to add the quantity of rice that I want to cook. As you guys can see, after adding the rice, I stir it together before I will cover it up. Okay, so I want to parboil the rice. This is how I parboiled my rice, you guys, before I will use it for the jollof rice that I want to cook. Okay, that is what I'm doing right here, you guys. After doing that, so yeah, I have my strainer. The rice is already, I've already parboiled the rice to how I want it. So I will just turn the rice into that strainer to remove the water. You guys know that parboiling rice reduce the starch that rice have, right? When you parboil the rice, the starch in it will reduce, okay? So in this is my little blender. I have some tomatoes, some habanero peppers, the onions that I just blend together, you guys. So after that, I add some oil into this my same pot that I used to parboil the rice that I'm going to use for the jollof rice. So yeah, so after adding the oil to into this pot, I wait for it to heat up a little bit before I add the onions, you guys. Yeah, so I'm going to fry these onions to how I want it to be before I will bring in the tomatoes, you guys. Yeah, I'm going to fry these onions. Yep, you guys. So guys, how are you all doing, guys? How are you all doing? It is almost Christmas, you guys. How are you guys preparing for your Christmas? Yeah, so guys, this jollof rice that I'm cooking today, it is also some ideas for you guys of what to cook on Christmas Day. You can decide to cook jollof rice, you can decide to cook white rice, any food that you decide to cook, you guys. So you guys, I post different type of food videos on this my YouTube channel. So do me a favor by checking others videos out, okay? By checking other videos out on this my channel, okay? So you guys please, and do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's be friends, you guys. Yeah, so you guys, as you can see, I'm still frying the onions. I just add a little curry into the onions that I'm frying. This will give your jollof rice a very delicious aroma, you guys. When you are frying your onions, be it whether you are cooking stew, cooking jollof rice, when you are frying your onions, just add a little curry into the oil that you are using. You will see the aroma in your kitchen will change, you guys. Yeah, that's what I'm doing here. So after that, I add tomatoes paste into the oil also. Okay, this the one that I'm frying right now is tomatoes paste and onions. Okay, so I'm going to fry this tomatoes paste very well so that the strong taste, you guys know that there is this strong taste that some tomatoes paste used to have. So when you fry it very well, that strong taste, that sour taste will go away. Okay, so I'm going to fry this and fry it and fry it before I will bring in the blended the onions, tomatoes, and pepper that I just blend before I will bring that in. Okay. Yep, you guys. So, guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe, you guys. Okay. You guys know that I post different videos on this my YouTube channel, lifestyle content. lifestyle videos, cooking videos, having fun time with my baby. I also post some videos sometimes, okay, that I'm out with my baby. Yeah, you guys, you can see the color of it. It is so red. It is so red, you guys. It is so red. The kitchen was just, in fact, the whole house was smelling so good. Yeah, you guys, so I'll fry that tomatoes to how I want it to be. The taste is very good now, so I just put in the rice, right? I just bring in the rice and I will stir it very well for the rice and the tomato sauce to combine very well. To be well combined, you guys. Okay, I will stir it and stir it. As you guys can see, that is what I'm doing right here. Okay, that is what I'm doing right here. Yep, you guys. So yeah, after that, I will add the chicken stock, right? The stock that I used to cook the chicken is what I'm adding right now, and that stock will also give the jollof rice a very good aroma, a very good taste, you guys. A very good taste is what the chicken stock will give to my jollof rice. Okay, so before I add the rice into the tomatoes sauce, I set some aside in case so that it will not be too much, so that the tomato taste will not be too much. So I set some aside. That is one that I just add right now, guys. Yeah, you guys. The thing is that camera is not doing justice to the color of this jollof rice because it was so red, you guys. It was very red. Okay. So now I'm going to add my margarine. You guys, you can use butter. And anyone that you have at home will serve. Okay. If you have margarine, you can add it. If you have butter, you can also add it, you guys. This will make your rice not to stick. Okay. The butter or the margarine that you will add will make your rice not to stick together. Okay. It will make your rice to be, how should I call it now? Is this soggy or soggy? I don't know how to put that in there. Yeah. So yeah, thank you all guys. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for watching. God bless you. Do not forget to like, share, comment, all those good stuff, you guys, and subscribe. Okay, subscribe for more videos. God bless you guys. God bless you for always being here. I am so grateful to have you guys on my YouTube channel. I don't take your love for granted, you guys. I do not take your love for granted. You guys are just the best. Thank you so much, you guys. Please subscribe, okay? Subscribe if you have not subscribed. Please subscribe, okay, guys? So you guys will see the different videos that I post on my YouTube channel, cooking videos, and other videos are coming up very soon, okay? I think maybe it's going to also be cooking videos. Okay, I have other video that is coming up very soon. So guys, please subscribe, okay? God bless you. I love you guys. Thank you so much, my darling subscribers. Even if you are not my subscriber, I also say thank you to you because for watching. I am also grateful. Thank you all for being here. God bless you. Mwah. I love you guys. Bye. Bye bye, guys. Bye.